everyone, this is Karen from Jingying Machinery. Today we will check the shredder. Okay, we see the time now is 8:47 and we have machine full shipping. Now let's check our workshop. Okay, in front of us this is the shredder and we can see this the model is 1000. 1000 means that the crushing room from here to here is 1000 millimeter, and this is the reducer, cause the shredder, when shredder working and the speed is very slow, so we need the reducer to reduce the motor speed. And we see this is the motor and belt, motor belt, and connect with the reducer. Okay, this is the whole structure, and we have many sites in stock.